Oh, enough na. Pag nagkuha ng bulaklak, enough. Isa lang.
Oh, that's what I want today.
Oh, wag nang kukuha. Enough na.
Alam mo, Daddy Wan.
Hindi, yung flowers. Wag kukunin ng flowers.
One.
Hindi si kuya, si kuya. Sabi ko wag kukuha flowers. Okay, wag kukuha laman. Flowers. Gagalit daddy.
Flowers is on the ganda ko.
Oo, gagalit mami.
Daw punit ng flower.
Ay, wag mo kuha ng flowers.